Welcome to Angular in 1 minute. Over the next minute, I'm going to show you how to install Angular, create a new Angular application, and serve that application up into your browser. First, we're going to install Angular with npm by typing npm install -g @ angular/cli. Now that we've installed Angular, we're going to run the command ng-new, the name of our project, and with two options. The first is going to be style equal to Sass. The second is going to be routing. This is going to give us both setup for Sass and routing. Now go ahead and cd into your project directory. From inside your current working directory, run ng-serve -o. And that's it. You now have your Angular application up and running in less than 1 minute. Here's a list of the commands that we used over the past minute. And here's a few links for further research. That's it for Angular in 1 minute. Thanks for watching.